So this is 5-element reflexology, and these are the hand fire points. So we've got 4 meridians that we're going to look at with points on the hand related to different fire meridians. First of all, on the little finger, on the inside of the little finger, here you've got heart 9, and that's where the heart meridian ends. And this is really tonifying for the whole meridian, and also said to be a first aid point if somebody has a heart attack. And on the other side of this, you've got small intestine 1. So you can work them both together like that, and you can work them like that. Coming along the outside of the hand, just below where the little finger connects into the metacarpals, just below that joint in the junction, whereas if you bent your little finger you'd see where it creases, you've got small intestine 3. This is really good for back problems, insufficient lactation. It's also a very calming point, so you can work the small intestine point. Then coming down into just as a dip where the end of the metatarsals, metacarpals come into the carpals, and then you've got small intestine 4. And then just slightly down into the wrist joint itself, you've got small intestine 5. So following on from heart 9 that we saw on the other hand, we've got, that was here, we can come into the palm of the hand and just coming round the metacarpal here into the palm, you've got heart 8. This is a really nice calming point, really good for insomnia, calms the mind. And then coming onto the wrist crease, so you've got the last sort of the medial edge of the wrist crease, and then you're just coming in and just into that wrist crease. So you're coming round, there's a tendon on the outside, and then you're coming in between the 2 tendons. And this is heart 7. So this is a really tonifying point for the heart. So it's good for all sort of heart issues. It's very calming. So now we've got the heart protector meridian, which ends on the top of the middle finger, comes down through the palm, and the point, if you come down between the index and the middle finger, the point's slightly off centre of the palm. So you would have had heart 8 here, and you've got heart protector 8 here, and this is called the palace of anxiety. So that was 9, this is 8, and we can work this one for anxiety, calming palpations, and very much calms the shen. Then coming down through to the centre of the wrist crease, you've got heart protector 7. And then to sun, which is 3 finger widths, you've got heart protector 6, which is really good for nausea. So morning sickness, shock, motion sickness. So this is a really good point also to show your clients. And then we're just going to look at the triple heater meridian. The triple heater meridian starts on the corner of the ring finger and then comes up the hand. So there's 1, then we're going to move straight to 4, which comes into where the wrist crease is, and you can just feel down in between the carpal bones, but it's in line with the ring finger. And then heart protector 5, you're looking at 3 finger widths from the wrist crease, but this is in between the radius and the carpal bone, and it's really good for tendinitis, RSI, It's also really good for expelling pathogens. So if you're coming down with a cold, it boosts the immune system.